Hello, amazing artists! Today we're going to learn about the most basic element of art, line. Keith Haring, a famous popular artist who became well known in the 1980s, used line to make his artwork. He was considered a pop artist. Pop artists painted bold images of everyday items using bright colors. When he was 20, Keith moved to New York City and drew all over the city. He loved going into subways and drawing smooth white lines on black panels with chalk. He was an activist artist. He used his art to tell us what he believed in and cared about.
In his drawings, he used different kinds of lines: straight and diagonal, squiggly, zigzag, and dashed or dotted.
His lines expressed movement and emotion. Look at picture A and compare it with picture B. What do you notice is different? Does picture B show more or less movement? A simple line can help express a feeling and an action. Drawing prompt. You will need your notebook, your pencil, a black marker or Sharpie, and an eraser. Draw several stick figures in different positions. Grab a white tip black marker and draw around the stick figures. When the lines made by the marker are dry, erase the pencil lines. You just made a figure with a continuous line, meaning the line is unbroken from beginning to end.
After looking at Keith Haring's artwork, think about how you can use lines to make your own drawings.